The Khree UFO. All right, now we've got the clips, by the way. Let's go ahead and have a few more vapes on it. I've got the salts, I love salts tobacco in one of the pods on the left, and then the I love salt strawberry candy on the right. So you got sweet on one side, sweet tobacco on the other. Let's have a vape. Very nice, very nice. Vapor production, pretty good on this. Again, I don't know the resistance of the coils or the output wattage. I'm going to guess it's like with most pod systems, 1.2 to 1.4, and then the wattage range is around 10 to, I'd say, 18 watts at the maximum. But I will update the description down there when I do find out. But so for my overall thoughts, I like the concept a lot. I really liked the Khree Z, I think it was called, the iPhone style vape. I did like that one a lot. Flavor and vapor production on these pods. Flavor is pretty dang good on these pods. I do like the flavor a lot. Vapor production is pretty good for what it is. It's not meant to be a cloud chasing device or anything like that.